This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creation. Today we're going to be doing this a little bit different. This is what I call Killer Wave, and I'm going to show you today how I put this together and how I mix my paints, hopefully. Okay, our pillow paint today is Glit Essentials in Eggshell and Valspar Ultra in Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick at a 3-to-1 ratio. What you see before you is a 6x6-inch tile. I'm going to put my pillow paint on first, and I'll explain the colors as they come up. Okay, first color down is Southern Ocean Blue by Matisse, and this is mixed with my pouring medium at a 3-to-1 ratio with the paint. So 3 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. Our next color down is going to be Pearlescent White. This is the Sonja product, and it's mixed the same as the Southern Ocean Blue was. Our next color is Payne's Gray, and this is a ColorArte Primary Elements color. Looks blue here, but it's very, very dark when it dries. Next color is Pixie Dust, and again, this is the ColorArte Primary Elements. It's a very diffused gold when it goes down when it finally dries. It almost looks like pixie dust. Okay, our next color is Yellow Ochre, and this is a golden product. Looks a little mustardy here, but it actually matches real well to what a gold is. Okay, I'm putting the my cell activator, which is titanium white by Amsterdam. This is mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol, and what the difference is it creates the cells when this is swiped across. Once I get total coverage here, I'm going to turn it upside down and swipe it as I turn the tile. You're going to notice almost immediately the cells start opening up. I call this the magic moment. It's very satisfying. I'm going to pick up the back of one of my skewers and turn it over, and just to create a little bit of extra interest, I'm going to wreck it. That creates that swirl effect. And what I was going for here is to get a wave going. Okay, what you see I'm doing is I'm spinning it to open up those cells and to bring the paints all out to the edge. We want to spin mostly because we're going to get besides the opening things up, we want to get the paint off the tile, because it's not our friend having too much paint on the tile itself. Let's take a little bit of a closer look here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a flyover and let you take a real close look and see what happened here. I really do enjoy the outside cells and all the shadow cells here and lacing. This one came out beautifully. If you like this video, please leave me a like. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you could, ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and hope you have a great day. Bye now.